Players in the tourism industry have accused the government of discrimination, citing a move by the government to allow PSV operators to operate at full capacity as selective. They have expressed fear that the industry may crumble if the government does not intervene. Patronila Goren with the details.
Speaking after a beach cleanup exercise Saturday, the hoteliers expressed their dissatisfaction with the implementation of the COVID-19 containment measures, saying that the sector has been overlooked despite being one of the contributors to the country's GDP.
It appears the policymakers and the people making some of these decisions are not consulting or are not in sync with the role and the significant impact of this industry to the economy. We cannot expect the contribution that we give the GDP to this industry and don't support it in the ways that we're seeing other sectors being supported.
They say the sector is on its deathbed, and if the government does not intervene, it may soon crumble.
If you look at the protocols and how we have actually invested to comply with some of these protocols, you cannot equate the level of hygiene that you see in hotels to even that you see in hospitals. And therefore, we were wondering what is the rationale? What is the reasoning behind some of these directives? Because if they are going to be given haphazardly the way they are being given without any scientific backing, without any engagement, then we feel the industry is being killed, is being pushed to a corner.
Of the estimated 10,000 employees in the sector, only 3,000 are working, with 2,300 vaccinated against COVID-19.
It actually increased the number of staff that would actually be engaged from this August. But now with the cancellation that we're experiencing, we are now having discussion with within management and even the union, which means that we are then forced to send some of this staff away because we cannot cope and we cannot maintain a workforce without activities, because we are highly labor intensive, and if we don't have that kind of labor, then we are actually likely to suffer.
The key players in the sector now wants the country's policymakers to revise some of the restrictions to revive an industry that offers employment to thousands of Kenyans.
We need support from the government, and especially the Minister of Health and Tourism, because when you look into other sectors, you find that they have so much numbers in terms of operation. If you go to SGR, especially in the economy class, you find that there is no social distancing. If you go to the supermarkets, you go to also the markets themselves, you find that there's no social distancing, and then there's barely protocols which are being followed. But when it comes now to the hospitality, it's like us, we are the victims of all mistakes which are done by other people.
The lockdowns and restrictions occasioned by the COVID-19 pandemic have hit the industry hard, leading to closure and massive loss of jobs. Patronila Goren for TV47 in Mombasa County.